Hello students, how are you? This is a new video about rejection region in hypothesis testing. Okay, so basically what I'm going to cover here is how to identify the rejection region and fail to reject region. So in order to find out that region, you need two things: critical value or critical values, test statistics value. Okay, first consider a left tail test. Think that we are having a test that is a left tail test. Then you know that your critical value will be somewhere here, right? Then the area, okay, then the area left to that critical value becomes the rejection region of H naught. You know that H naught is null hypothesis, right? And the right to that critical value, area right to that critical value becomes fail to reject H naught region. Okay, for an example, think that your critical value is minus 1.72 and your test statistic is 1.8. Now your critical value here is minus 1.72 and your test statistic is somewhere here. So according to that one, our decision is fail to reject H naught because this test statistic falls into the fail to reject region. Okay, hope you understand that one. Let's move into the next one. Okay, this is a right tail test. For that one, critical value will be somewhere here. Then area right to that critical value is the rejection region now. Area left to that critical value is the fail to reject region. Okay, right tail test, area right to the critical value is the rejection region. In that way, you can keep that in your mind. Think that your critical value is 1.82 or something, and then this is 1.82 and test statistic value is 2.34, something like that. Then you know that 2.34 is somewhere here, right? That means it is right to the critical value. Then here 2.34. So that means our decision should be reject H naught because 2.34 falls into the rejection region. Let's move into the two-tailed case. Okay, so it has two rejection regions. Why? Because we have two critical values over there, right? You know that those critical values are same in the magnitude but different in the sign, right? So if this is minus 1.82, this is 1.82. Okay, so for a two-tailed test, area left to minus critical value, area left to the minus critical value and area right to the positive critical value are the rejection regions. The area in between those two critical values considered as fail to reject region. Okay, consider that we have critical values minus 1.82 and 1.82. Now I have test statistic value that is minus 2.82. So this is my test statistic value. So this will fall somewhere here, right? It will fall left to the minus 1.82. So it's in the rejection region. Therefore, we are going to reject null hypothesis. For a two-tailed test, if your test statistic is going to fall whatever the rejection region, either in the left side or the right side, we are going to reject H naught, no matter which side, means left or right. Okay, that's it for this video. Let's meet with another concept in the next video. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos.